sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. No, don't dump it. Sprinkle. Say, come on, Santa's reindeer.
Come on, how much more?
Yep, sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Good job.
How much more? This big one.
What's this food for? Who's it for? Who's it for, Ella? Over here, too. Is it sparkly? Come back and get more. Come on. Come get the rest of it. It's almost done. You gotta feed Santa's reindeer. Put it out, reindeer food, so they come to our house. Good job. Okay, you wanna take the bowl? Okay, do the rest of it. Good job. Nice work. Ooh, is it sparkly? Okay, do you think they're gonna find our house?
All right.
Yay! Okay, let's go inside. Let's see if it works. Maybe Santa will come to our house. Come on. All done. Let's go. Let's go.
Look at the countdown.
Oh, 0.